welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going out on a big walk with my family. I don't know what's happening, where we're going, if we're having food, or if we're going on a flippin' hike. Like, I have no idea, and I am not a fitness girl. I cannot walk for more than like 10 minutes without being tired, evident by the fact I can't finish this without being out of breath. But I have on my cute workout clothes. Oh fuck, I fell. Just like flare sweats, and then this little top, a matching jacket, and it has thumb holes. I also brought a little backpack. It literally just has my camera, my book, and my lip balm, because again, I don't know if we're like stopping to sit somewhere, and if we are, then I might read for a little bit. I don't really know. I've literally zero idea. I have zero idea what's happening, but my parents will be here in a couple of minutes. I probably won't record too much, like I probably won't speak to yous, but I'll try and get some like cute, nice clips for you guys. So yeah, I also have a water, but that's not the reason I'm bringing a backpack, is because I want to buy like a bottle of water and put it in, because you can't see, because my water bottle has no handle. So it's toothless, but it has no handle, and it's a melter to carry, so I'm not doing that. I really wish I had time to have like a cup of tea or some food, but I woke up too late, so I only had time to shower and get ready, and that's it. So yeah, that's my plans for today. Thought I'd just take you along.
Free bolt-ons as well, and then
Okay, so we just went to Apple Greens right there, and I had some Subway. My family all had some food each as well, and now we're going to Ballymena. Hey, we're going to Ballymena. I think there's a waterfall that we went to when we were kids, and we're gonna go again. It's gonna be really fun. I'm excited. But I decided to eat a piece of chewing gum, and I don't know why. Because now I can't drink my coffee because my mouth tastes like bubblegum chewing gum. So I have a vanilla latte here, but I can't drink it. I'm just waiting for my dad to get back. We came in separate cars, so he's going to the bin. He's like at the door, and I was like, where the fuck are you going? But he's going to the bin, I think. So yeah, we're just chilling. I'm waiting until he gets back, and then I think we're heading on to Ballymena. Finn. We have our little doggy Finley. He loves attention. But yeah, we brought Finn, our dog, and then my sister's dog Rita. And I'm really actually excited. I'm feeling excited for this, though it's a little bit cold and I didn't bring a jumper, and I think it might rain, so that'll be fun because I just washed my hair. But we shall see how this goes. I'm excited though. Do you see your dad? I just want you to know who I am.
Everything seems to be lonely. Don't you know who I am? Oh, you got it, girl.
earlier. I'm just going to catch up with my family because I took a selfie at the waterfall. This is so steep. Yeah. We got soaked. Oh my god. Done. The hill was so steep at the end there. But we're back at the picnic place. I'm sitting on the wet grass, so it's good anyway, so it's fine. But we're gonna have our picnic and then I think go home. I'm dying. I'm so warm. Oh, it's starting to rain. It's starting to rain. It's starting to rain. Oh my god. It's starting to rain, guys. Let's quickly shove everything in this bag. I like the rain, so... Oh. I'm not bothered by the rain. Oh. I think we're going to be having a car picnic. Oh. Trying to pack up. Oh, there we go.
Should be there.
I love and hate that we're right on that water.
You know, in houses and
Okay, it's the next day, and whoever said that like exercise is euphoric, screw you. I'm in so much pain. like genuinely, oh my god, I'm actually embarrassed. Every part of my body hurts. Every part of my body. Legs, pain. Core, pain. Now, I have bad knees on the best of days. They're so stiff. I like truly, I mean, I just hurt. So that's fun. But I'm rewarding myself with a Subway. I can't wait. I love Subway. My boyfriend's out right now, so he's gonna walk to Subway and then tell me when he's there so I can walk, because it's like 1 minute away from me. So I'm really excited. I'm gonna get, my normal order is a 6-inch Italian BMT on Italian herbs and cheese with extra American cheese, I think. I don't know what it's called. Do you know that plastic, really shitty cheese? Extra of that, plain. I don't get salad or sauce. I'm sorry, I just like the taste of the sandwich, but that's what I get. I'm so excited. My mouth is watering. I did have a Subway yesterday. And what? I don't want to cook right now. I'm only gonna get something small, and I'm only gonna tell Callum to get something small because I think I will cook us something later. But when he rang me to be like, can we put dinner on? I was like, I physically do not want to get up because I just woke up because I fell asleep because I took a nap. Anyway, I'm really sore from my walk yesterday. But it was fun. I'm pretty.